Welcome to my Antminer S1 setup video. Over the next 5 minutes I'm going to help you set up your Antminer so you can get mining Bitcoin or Betacoin, whatever you're going to mine, as quickly as possible. So once you've connected up your Antminer to a power supply and the network cable, the first thing you want to do is open up your browser and type in the following address: 192.168.1.99. Press enter. Now you get the login screen. The username is going to be root and the password root. Then press enter. So from here you're going to want to select the network tab at the top, and then for WAN you're going to want to press the edit button. Okay, so at the moment, the default IP address for the Antminer is 192.168.1.99. Now, if you don't plan on ever getting another Antminer, or you don't care what the address is, then you can leave that as it is. But I actually do recommend, just in case you do end up getting another one in the future, is changing the IP address to something else. The reason for this is because they all ship as this address, and if you try and connect two to the network with both the same IP address, it's just going to be a big mess and won't work. So for me, I have 3 of them at the moment, and I've got them all as IP addresses: 192.168.1, and then it's 241 for the first one, 242 for the second one, and 243 for the third one. So since this is my third one, I'm going to change this to 243. So you decide what you want to change this to, but I recommend you do something similar. I'm going to now save and apply this. Now you're going to want to leave this for 10 or 20 seconds just to make sure the settings actually apply. And then you're going to go to the top of the browser again and type in that new address. So for me it's 192.168.1.243 and click enter. You're then going to get the login screen again. So type in root for your password, and you're ready to go. Now what you want to do is go back to the network tab again, WAN and edit, and now you can see that the IP address is obviously correct, 243. What you're also going to make sure you do to make sure the Antminer can connect to the internet is to change the IPv4 gateway address, which is currently 192.168.1.1 as default, to your router IP address. Now if you don't know what the router IP address is for your router, you're going to want to get your user manual and check that out. For me, it is 254. So 192.168.1.254. So you're going to want to change that to your router IP address. You're then also going to want to change your custom DNS servers to the same, 254. Now once you've done that, you're going to want to press save and apply. So once that's done, I know the Antminer can now connect to the internet. I'm going to want to go and set up my mining pools. So you want to go back to the status tab and then miner configuration. Now I'm going to be using the United Miners Betacoin pool. It's a great pool. I definitely recommend you check them out. So here I'm going to be using, I've gone to getting started and find out the address, which is this, and the port is 3310. So from here I'm going to change it to that. Next I'm going to input my worker. My worker is white group 1 and my password is X. Now you're going to want to set up your pool 2 and pool 3 as a different mining pool, just so you've got a backup in case one of them goes down for some reason. For this purposes I'm just going to make it the same pool and just change the worker. Okay, so once you've done that, you're going to press save and apply. Give it 5 or 10 seconds to accept the changes. Okay, now all you need to do is go back to the mining status tab, and hopefully you should be able to see that your miner is working. So here it's showing that it's starting off at 81 gigahash a second, and it is connected to the Betacoin United Miners pool. If I refresh, hopefully we'll see the speed has increased. Thank you for watching, guys, and stay tuned for an overclocking video.